Hi guys, welcome back to Cool Product, where we explore gear that makes every fishing trip better. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best fishing tackle box options that combine organization, durability, and convenience for anglers of all levels. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Flambeau NextGen Fishing Tackle Box. The Flambeau NextGen Fishing Tackle Box redefines how anglers organize and access their fishing gear with a modern, thoughtful design. At the heart of this tackle box are 6 pivoting swing trays, offering 32 individual compartments that allow anglers to quickly find the tackle they need without having to open the entire box. This design enhances efficiency and convenience, making it easier to stay focused on fishing rather than digging through cluttered storage. A top entrance bulk storage compartment provides instant access to frequently used tools and supplies, keeping essential items within easy reach. The variety of compartment sizes, ranging from 1.25 inches to 7 inches, accommodates a wide range of fishing tackle, from small hooks and lures to larger equipment. Additionally, the extra deep bobber compartment ensures that even bulkier items have a dedicated space, further improving organization. For anglers seeking expanded storage, the tackle box integrates space for a 4000 series Tuftainer, which can add between 16 to 24 additional compartments. This feature offers flexibility for those who carry a diverse assortment of tackle and fishing accessories. The Flambeau NextGen Fishing Tackle Box is thoughtfully engineered to support both casual and serious anglers, combining practical storage solutions with easy accessibility. Proudly made in the USA. It reflects a commitment to quality and durability, ensuring it will be a reliable companion on countless fishing trips. This tackle box is an ideal choice for anglers who value organization, efficiency, and versatility, providing a streamlined approach to storing and accessing all essential fishing gear. Next up at number 4, we have the KastKing HyperSeal Fishing Tackle Box. The KastKing HyperSeal Fishing Tackle Box is designed to offer anglers a highly organized and secure solution for storing their fishing gear. Available in 2 sizes, the 3600 and 3700 models, these boxes provide ample space for a wide range of tackle, including crankbaits, jerkbaits, spinners, spoons, hooks, and other terminal tackle, making them suitable for both tackle bags and boat storage systems. One of the standout features of the HyperSeal tackle box is its adjustable dividers, which allow anglers to customize the layout to fit lures of varying sizes. The removable dividers lock into place to prevent movement during travel, and small holes in each divider provide ventilation for stored items. Each box comes with a desiccant to help prevent rust, while the transparent lid allows quick visual identification of the contents without opening the box. Built to withstand the elements, the KastKing HyperSeal is fully waterproof and shock-resistant, with a heavy-duty frame and locking latch that keeps moisture out. A sealing ring on the lid ensures that lures, hooks, and other accessories remain dry and protected. The tackle box also features a one-hand open and close latching system, allowing anglers to access their gear quickly and efficiently, while exterior labels make it easy to organize tackle bags or boat lockers. Durability is a key aspect of the HyperSeal tackle box. Its rugged construction and 360-degree waterproof gasket offer long-lasting protection for all fishing gear, making it a reliable companion for any angler. With its thoughtful design, secure waterproofing, and customizable storage options, the KastKing HyperSeal Fishing Tackle Box provides both convenience and performance for serious fishing enthusiasts. Taking the 3rd spot is the Runcl Fishing Tackle Box. The Runcl Fishing Tackle Box is designed to meet the needs of anglers who demand both functionality and durability. Its spacious interior provides ample room to store all essential fishing gear, including lures, hooks, lines, and other accessories. Multiple compartments and removable trays allow for organized storage, making it easy to keep equipment neatly arranged and accessible. Constructed with durability in mind, the tackle box is both waterproof and airtight. This ensures that valuable fishing equipment remains dry and protected, even in challenging wet conditions. The tight seal effectively prevents water from entering, safeguarding gear against rust and damage. Convenience is a key feature of the Runcl tackle box. The removable interior design allows for quick and easy access to items, reducing the time spent searching for specific gear during a fishing trip. This thoughtful layout enhances the overall fishing experience by keeping everything within reach. Built from high-quality, impact-resistant materials, the tackle box is designed to endure the demands of outdoor use. Whether on a boat or along the shoreline, it maintains structural integrity while protecting contents from external elements. Beyond its practical attributes, the Runcl fishing tackle box is available in a range of vibrant colors, adding a stylish touch to your fishing setup. These color options also help with easy identification when fishing in groups, combining aesthetic appeal with practical organization. Overall, the Runcl fishing tackle box blends robust construction, smart design, and visual appeal, making it a reliable companion for anglers looking to keep their equipment secure, organized, and ready for any fishing adventure. Coming in at number 2 is the Plusinno fishing tackle box. The Plusinno fishing tackle box redefines convenience and efficiency for anglers of all levels. Measuring 14.5 by 8.3 by 8.1 inches, this 4-layer tackle box offers 12 times the capacity of standard models. Its removable grid panels allow for customizable compartments to fit lures, hooks, and other gear, while open zones accommodate bulkier items. An ergonomic handle makes it easy to carry, whether for a lakeside trip or as a thoughtful gift for fishing enthusiasts seeking organized storage. This all-in-one kit comes fully equipped with everything an angler could need. It includes pliers, a fish gripper, a hook remover, and 544 premium fishing accessories, ranging from soft lures and hooks to jigs and sinkers. With the ability to build 16 professional rig combos, it offers 50% more setups than standard tackle kits. The kit ensures anglers can be ready for auction without additional purchases, streamlining preparation for spontaneous fishing trips. Engineered with high-density ABS resin and a reinforced impact-resistant structure, the Plusinno tackle box is designed for long-lasting durability. Its upgraded hinge-actuated latch allows one-handed opening and closing while maintaining performance even after extensive use. This robust construction provides protection against impacts and wear, promising reliability for years of fishing adventures.
The tackle kit itself includes lifelike lures such as swim baits, poppers, crankbaits, and minnows, featuring 3D eyes and pearl powder coatings for realistic underwater appeal. The 8-segment articulated design ensures slow sinking, flexible movement that attracts predator fish like bass and trout. Complemented by stainless steel fishing tools, the Plusinno fishing tackle box offers a complete solution for an organized, efficient, and effective freshwater fishing experience. This compact yet versatile fishing system combines innovation, practicality, and quality, making it a standout choice for anglers who value performance and convenience in a single, thoughtfully designed package. And finally, our top pick, the Plano fishing tackle box. The Plano Guide Series Stowaway 4x Rock System is a versatile fishing tackle organizer designed to keep your gear organized and easily accessible. Built to accommodate Plano's 3700 series utility tackle boxes, this system provides anglers with a customizable storage solution tailored to different fishing trips. Its large capacity allows for the storage of up to 4 3700 series boxes or a single 3503 spinnerbait box, making it adaptable for a variety of tackle setups.
A standout feature of this system is its built-in quick access storage. The upper compartment and top access section, protected by a DuraView lid, allow anglers to reach essential gear swiftly without needing to dig through multiple layers. This ensures that your most frequently used items are always within easy reach, enhancing efficiency during fishing outings. Durability is a core aspect of the Plano Guide series. Constructed from high-quality components, the 4x-rack system features strong panels that safeguard your tackle from impact and wear, keeping your gear protected over time. Its thoughtful design combines functionality with robust construction, offering a reliable storage solution for both casual and serious anglers. The package includes 4 3700 series stowaway utility boxes equipped with Pro Latch closures, ensuring that each box remains securely shut while allowing for easy access when needed. Measuring 16.5 inches in length, 12 inches in width, and 16 inches in height, the system provides ample space while maintaining a manageable footprint. Finished in a modern graphite and sandstone color scheme, it blends practicality with a sleek appearance. Additional items in the package, including a Plano brochure and nameplate order form, offer further guidance and personalization options for organizing your tackle collection. Ready to organize your tackle like a pro? Check the price link in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more top-quality fishing gear reviews and outdoor essentials.